Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this Salesforce Agentforce series, today we are going to learn about how we can deploy AI agents to Slack from the Salesforce org. Now in earlier videos, we have understood how we can enable the default agent. After that, how we can create and deploy the service agent on the community side so that it helps to the customers as well as the Salesforce users to manage their business. Now in Salesforce, for the daily communication, we use the Slack. And in the previous video, we have understood how we can connect the Salesforce org with the Slack Workspace. Now, when communicating on the Slack, our users need to obtain information from the AI agent that we have deployed on the Salesforce org. Then, to use this AI agent in the Slack, we need to deploy them within the Slack as well so that users don't have to navigate from the Slack to the Salesforce every time when they need to ask any query to an AI agent. So for example, let me navigate to the Salesforce org. So in this Salesforce org, we have this Agentforce agent where we have added, let me show you, order agent and then library agent. Now for example, as I navigate to the Slack, now as a Slack user, while communicating with the other users, I need to retrieve any information about any order. Now for that order, we have created the order agent in the Salesforce. Now to get that information, what I need to do? I need to navigate to this Salesforce and from here, I will select this order agent and then from here, I can get to know the information about the order. Now what if we deploy this order agent to the Slack instance and from Slack itself we could access that order agent so that we don't need to navigate from Slack to Salesforce. So in this video we will be understand how we can deploy this order agent to this Slack instance. And with this order agent you can also deploy the other agents to this Slack instance. So very first, I will give you and quickly overview how we have connected the Salesforce org with this Slack instance, and also I will provide the video link for this same in the description box. You can go through it so that you will be get more idea about the connection between Salesforce org and then Slack Workspace. So here for the deploying AI agents from the Salesforce org to the Slack instance, each and every step is very important. For that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So whenever we post any new video, you will get an update. And now, before moving ahead, if you want to learn the Salesforce from the scratch, or if you are serious about building your career in the Salesforce, I have created Salesforce admin training course and also Agentforce course. So in this course, you will have lifetime access and the free future updates. After that, you will have the HD video lessons. Then in these courses, you will have the Salesforce admin training course. After that, the Agentforce training course. And also if you want to learn both things, then we also have created a complete training course bundle in which you will have the Salesforce admin training course as well as Agentforce course. So in these courses, everything is explained in simple English with the real-time examples. Now, if you want to know about more about these courses, you can click on this read more button. From there, you will be redirected to the content that I have explained in each course. And if you want to buy this course, you can click on this enroll now button. So the link of the Join Pro I will provide in the description box. You can go through it. From there, you will be navigate on this page. Also, we are going to conduct a live webinar on the Salesforce Agentforce on the 10th of December. In this webinar, we are going to learn about Agentforce plus Slack. In that, we will have the following topics: introduction to the Salesforce Agentforce. Then I will be explain Slack integration overview. Then we will understand how we can connect Slack with the Salesforce org. Then we will have the live demo where I will create a Slack agent, and after that we will deploy that agent on the Slack workspace, and then we will have the question and answer sessions. So to book your seat on this virtual webinar, you need to register now. So the registration link I will provide in the description box. From there, you can register for this Agentforce and Slack webinar. Now here, to connect the Salesforce org with the Slack instance, first we have downloaded or the installed the connected app. So here, let me show you. As I navigate to the setup, in the quick find, as I search for the installed package, now here you can see Slack platform connector. So here we have installed the Slack platform connector. Using this, we can connect the Salesforce org with the Slack instance. After that, what we did? After that, in the Slack org, here you can see as I navigate to the tools and settings, and then from manage Salesforce organization, we have connected this Slack org to the Salesforce organization. So here you can see under the Salesforce org, we have connected this TS Info Technologies with this Slack org. Now we have successfully connected with this Salesforce organization, and as I click on this TS Info Technologies, then here you can see here we have the users option. As I click on it, here I have added one user in this Slack workspace. Now let's deploy the order agent in this Slack org. For that, as I navigate to the Salesforce, again in the quick find, here we need to search for Agentforce agents. So here you can see here we have the Agentforce agent. As I click on it, then as I scroll down, here we have created different agents. Now I want to deploy this order agent from this Salesforce org to the Slack workspace. If you want to select any other agent, you can select that as well. So here as I click on this order agent, then we need to open this agent in the builder. For that, here I am clicking on open in builder. Then here you can see in the left panel, here we have the option connections. As I click on it, then scroll down, and again here we have the option which is connections. And now we need to add the connection so that we can deploy this order agent in the Slack workspace. So here as I click on this add button, now here we need to select the connection type. So here let me zoom in. Now as I click on this connection type, here you can see API. So here the connection type will be set to API, because as we are going to connect this order agent with the Slack organization or the Slack instance through the Slack API. So here I am selecting API, and then here we need to provide the integration name. So here I am providing Slack integration. You can provide integration name as per your requirement. Then as I click on this connected app, so here we have seen which connected app we have installed. So here as I search for the Slack, here you can see we have installed the Slack platform connected package to establish the connection between Salesforce org and then Slack workspace. So here I am selecting Slack over here, and then simply click on save. Now as I scroll down, here you can see we have added the connection. Now we are done from the Salesforce side, and here we have made this order agent available to Slack through this connection. Now let's go back to the Slack, and here what we need to do, again we need to navigate in the general and then click on this drop down. Again here we need to select tools and setting, and this time here we need to select this organization settings. As I click on this, then scroll down, and here you can see here we have the Salesforce option. As I click on it, and then here you can see here we have the Agentforce. Now here we need to select this Agentforce option. Here you can see here we have order agent for the review. Now what we need to do, we need to review this order agent first. For that, as I click on this review button, then we need to click on this allow. So it will take some time to review this agent. And here you can see here we have the user that we have added in this Slack workspace. Here we need to select this workspace and then click on this add to one workspace. Now here you can see order agent added to this workspace. And then where we can see the added Agentforce agent. So here as I click on this active agents, now here you can see here we have order agent which is active agent. Now again let's navigate to the general, and here you can see currently we don't have any Agentforce icon. Now as I refresh this page, this time here you can see we got the Agentforce icon. As I click on this Agentforce icon, and then here we have the order agent. So here we need to select this order agent, and then here you will see the UI same as that we seen in the Salesforce org. Now let's give the prompt. What is status of my order 500 600? First let me check, is there any order with this order number? For that, as I navigate to the Salesforce, let me open the soft drink order object. Let me change the list view. So here we don't have any order number with 500600. Instead we have 500100, which order status is open. So again, as I navigate to the Slack, so here I need to provide 500100. And this time as I press the enter key, now here you can see generating information. And here we have the agent responded, your order status is displayed below. Let me know if you need anything else. And the order status is open. So here we have seen for the order number 500100, order status is open. So in this way, whatever the topics, actions and the instructions we have provided to this order agent, according to that, this agent will give the response. So this is one way to give the prompt to the AI agent. Now let me show you the another way. Now as I navigate to the general, and this time what I will do, here you can see in the message, here I am providing @ and then here I will type order agent. So here you can see, here we have the order agent. As I click on it, and this time again I will give the prompt. So first let me check any order number. Here we have 600200, which order status is dispatched. So what is my status of order number 600200? Now as I press the enter key, so here you can see you mentioned @ order agent, but they are not in this channel. So first we need to add this order agent in this channel. For that, as I click on this add them, and now here you can see gathering information. And then for our prompt, which is what is status of order number 600200, the agent has been responded. Here we can see one reply. As I click on this one reply, and here you can see in the thread, your order status is ready. Let me know if you need anything else. And here you can see the order status, which is dispatched. And also for the order number 600200, the status is dispatched. So in this way, we can tag the agent name using the @ symbol and then ask them to question whatever we have queried to ask. So now, because of deploying the Agentforce agent to the Slack from the Salesforce, user actually don't need to navigate from the Slack to the Salesforce if they have any query. So I hope whatever I have explained, you understood that. Also, do register for the Agentforce plus Slack live webinar, which we are going to conduct on 10th of December. The link I have provided in the description box. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.